Hello guys, we are so glad to have you back on this channel, just like we always do. And I'm wishing each and every one of you a happy new year. Yes, I pray that this year is going to be favorable to each and every one of us. Amen. Yes guys, on today's video we are live in Abagana, still talking about the road constructions in our hinterlands going on all around Anambra State in various localities at the moment. Just like you already know that Anambra State is the state in Nigeria with the highest road network. So in other words, this implies that there are lots and lots of connecting road in Anambra State, Nigeria. So over here you can see the construction of the Abagana-Ukpo-Abba road that is currently going on in this locality, which is the Soludo'S local government area of Anambra State. This project is also being taken care of by the Anambra State government, talking about the Soludo'S administration in Anambra State. Yes, there have been numerous videos of the road constructions in our hinterlands that we have been bringing up before now, and as I'm talking to you, a lot more are coming your way. Yes, and we have been talking about the major projects that are going on in the state for a while now, so it's a little bit time we shift to some of these projects that people don't really talk about. People don't know. It is very important we showcase all of these projects that are going on so that people will understand the effect of this government, talking about this administration. The Soludo'S administration in Anambra State has actually been so positive to a lot, and I mean virtually every part of Anambra State. There is a project going on. Just like I always tell you guys that Anambra State as an entity is a construction site, and I've always tried my best to prove that to you. And this is just one of these effects that are actually going on around our localities. We are talking about the roads in our villages, the roads in our communities, in the hinterlands of the state, trying to connect every town, every villages and every community with good road. This is one great move that I'm so impressed about, and I must say kudos to this administration. Yes, the Soludo'S administration is actually doing a very wonderful work on ground, and I'm so impressed with it. So guys, just in case this is your first time of coming across this channel, this is BlessingGodwinTV. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, just in case you have not subscribed already. Comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. And to our returning subscribers, I'd like to say thank you so very much. Wishing you guys a prosperous new year. This year is going to be blissful, favorable to you guys from one point to another. Yes, so you can see the work that's going on along this road. On this video we are going to go from this, because right here is still Abagana. I'm still in Abagana here. Okay, so we are going to go from here and we are going to drive through Ukpo town. Yes, we are going to drive through Ukpo town, and then we are also going to drive from Ukpo, and we'll come out at the Oyago Abagana. Yes, we'll also bust out at the Oyago Abagana market. So stick to this video. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will see all of these places, just in case you have not seen them before or it's been a while you've seen these locations. Okay, yes, don't forget that Ukpo town is the town to one of Anambra's, or should I say the one of Igbo's illustrious son, talking about Dr. Prince Ato Eze Ukpo. Yes, he is from this very town we are about entering right now. You can see that for yourself. This is Ukpo town in Dunukofia. Yes, you can see that for yourself. So this is the boundary between Ukpo and Abagana in this part, like in this axis. Okay, this is the boundary. So right now we are inside Ukpo town. Yes, the home to Prince Dr. Ato Eze, one of Igbo's illustrious son. So just in case you are from this town, also let us know about that, And in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. You can also see the pipe of water that is also have been done over here. That's to tell you what this government is doing in Anambra State, revitalizing every aspect of the state, making sure that everything is functional. You can see he has done that pipe of water in Oka. He has done it in Onitsha. He has done it in what was it called, towards that Mobeledu area. Yes, he has done it there. He has also done it in Ukpo, and he has done it in Amobia. Like, he's doing this thing in several towns, virtually every part of the state. All the water facilities are being revitalized so that people will actually have good water. People can have access to clean drinking water, and that is a very good move. I'm so impressed. I must tell you, it's not like I'm praising this administration, but I must always say it the way it is, because of those who come and say that we always praise, we always talk good about it. Yes, we are saying good about this administration because this administration is actually doing what we really want. Is delivering the dividends of democracy to its people, and that is what every government, that's the basic responsibility of every government to its people. Good water, good road, electricity, security, and otherwise. So we are impressed with what Soludo is doing in Anambra State, and we must always say it the way it is. So we have to thank him, thank this administration for what it is doing, so that it can be able to do more for us and our parents. So that is what we have at the moment. So right now we can see we are still in Ukpo town. Yes, the home of Prince Arthur Eze. This is Ukpo town, and we are going to go from Ukpo town up till Abagana. Okay, it's a very smooth road we are going to drive on. So stick to this channel and make sure you watch this video to the end, so that you will see what all of these locations look like at the moment. Thank you, and God bless you.
you